If you want your children to be given the best education in Islamic style, there is one such institution whose name is MAKACET. MAKACET is located 7th mile Vidyanagar, Eluru Mandal, Eluru district, which is just 12 kilometers away from Eluru town. In MAKACET, Maka Junior College and Maka High School are available. Now the admissions are going on for junior college and school as well. Get ready and be hurry up for admissions. Let your children receive the best education they deserve. In our MAKACET, we offer the education in both streams, residential mode as well as day scholar mode. Now the admissions are going on in MAKACET. You please make contact by calling the names that are appear on the board, and you can enroll your children as early as possible. Let your children receive the best education they deserve. Thank you. MAKACET.